Hello friends, Kalrao School Halol presenting this video for standard 10th English medium subject English. Friends, today we number 1 of this video we had already discussed about the previous part of this lesson. So those who hadn't seen that video, firstly go and watch the part number 1 so that you will get the idea about this story. Okay, now in this part we will discuss further about the lesson. Peggy, who had thought up this game, Peggy has an idea about this game, and Maddie, her inseparable friend. Maddie is very close to Peggy, so Maddie was the inseparable friend, were always the last to leave. Finally, Wanda would move up the street, her eyes dull and her mouth closed. Just because of the all the friends gathered and make the fun of the Vanda get the upset, and her eyes become dull because all the girls made the fun of the Vanda. So she was very upset and her mouth was closed. Hitching her left shoulder every now and then in the funny way she had finishing the walk to the school alone. Okay, she has a unique way to come and go from the school. She is always alone. She didn't have any friend, and every time she left her shoulder and funny way she had finishing to the walk from the school to the home alone only. Okay, Peggy was not really cruel. Peggy was not really indeed she was not bad or cruel. She has a soft corner for must she realized that उसको भी उसका मजाक उड़ाना चाहिए. She protected a small children from the bullies. Okay, Peggy all the time protected the small children from the bullies. All the time she made the fun of the Vanda Petrovsky. No, that doesn't mean that she is cruel person. Okay, she has a soft corner. Okay, she has a soft heart also. In other way, she protected the small children from the bullies, and she cried for hours if she show animal mistreated. Means she has a soft corner for the animals and other small children also. If anybody had said her, don't you think that it is cruel way to treat Vanda? If anyone told him that आप जो वेंडा के साथ कर रहे हो वो गलत है, she would have been very surprised. Okay, in that condition or in that situation she will be get the surprised. Cruel? Why did the girl she had 100 dresses? Why did the girl say she had 100 dresses? Means वो ऐसा क्यों बोल रही है? Why did she say like that way कि उसके पास 100 dresses है? She didn't have to like that such a lie. Okay, if she is speaking lie, I will make the fun of her. Everybody could tell that that was a lie. Why did she want to lie? And she wasn't just an ordinary person. Else, why did she have name like that? Anyway, that they never made her cry. Okay, so everyone told Peggy that she don't have to do like this kind of the mischievous behavior with the that she has 100 dresses. What is wrong with this to say or to behave with her in this way only? So this kind of the reply were given by the Peggy to that person. As for Maddie, this business of asking Vanda every day how many dresses and how many hats. Okay, now this will become the routine for the Peggy to ask the Vanda about her dresses and about her other things, related other things. So this is become the routine, and how many this and that she had was bothering her. Maddie was poor herself. Here given here given some information about the Maddie. Maddie was the closest friend of Peggy. Maddie was also poor itself. She usually wore somebody's hand-me-down clothes, and she also wearing the clothes which was given by someone else. Okay, दूसरे के कपड़े वो पहनती थी. Maddie also was the poor. Thank goodness she didn't live up on the Boggins Heights or have a funny name. तो she thought that, Mary thought that, thank God कि मैं Boggins Heights में नहीं रहती हूँ. I didn't live into the Boggins house and I don't have a funny name like Wanda Petrosky. So otherwise Peggy would make the fun of mine also. Sometimes when Peggy was asking Wanda those questions in that mocking polite voice, Maddie felt embarrassed and studied the marbles in a palm of her hand. What she was doing, she was just standing with the Peggy only and play the marble in her palm at the time when Peggy made the fun of Maddie, rolling them around and saying nothing herself. She didn't speak any single word herself. Not that she felt sorry for Venda. She didn't felt any sorry for the Venda Petrosky. Exactly, she would never have paid any attention to the Venda if Peggy had invented the dresses game. Whenever Peggy was invented about the dresses game with the Venda at that time, Maddie didn't have any objection just because she was the closest friend and she didn't want to lose the friendship of the she didn't want to lose the friendship of the Peggy. Just because of that, Maddie didn't speak any single word when Paddy made the fun of the Vanda. But suppose Peggy and all the others started in on her next, she wasn't as poor as Vanda. She thought that she wasn't poor as much as Vanda was. So she thought that she was a poor, but not like that as Vanda. Perhaps, but she was poor. Lekin in reality, she was poor. Of course, she would have more sense than to say she had 100 dresses. She never speak a word like Vanda that she has 100 dresses. Vanda always speak that she had 100 dresses, but Maddie didn't speak. Maddie not a single time speak that she had 100 dresses because a point of the matter, and she all the friends were made fun of her like they were make the fun of Vanda Petrosky. Still, she would not like for them to begin on her. She wished Peggy would stop the testing Vanda Petrosky. But in mind or in उसके मन में ऐसा सोचती थी, शी थॉट दैट कि सब लोग जो है एवरी वन हैज़ टू स्टॉप to make the fun of the Vanda Petrosky, but she didn't speak to anyone about that. Here given the 3 questions, friends. So you have to write down the answer of the 3 questions in your notebook. This is very easy question, so you have to write down this, the comprehension check. You will find the answer from the above paragraph only. So this is your homework to write down the answer of these 3 questions in your notebook only. Okay. Today, even though they had been late to school, Maddie was glad she had not had to make fun of Vanda. Today, both the friends, Peggy and Maddie, were glad to late for the school, and today they didn't have made the fun of the Vanda. She worked her arithmetic problem absent-mindedly. Okay, at that time she was doing the arithmetic problem absent-mindedly, means उसका ध्यान कहीं और था, and she was trying to solve the problem of arithmetic. Okay, 8 times 8. Let's see. she wished she had the never to write Peggy a note because she know she never would have the courage to speak right out to Peggy to say arithmetic. She did start note to Peggy. Once she decided that she will tell the means Maddie decided that she will tell the Peggy that next time they will not make the fun of the Vanda Petrovsky, but she didn't want to lose her friendship. So she decided that she will write the note to the Peggy that in future they will not make the fun of the Vanda Petrovsky. So this type of the thoughts were running out in the mind of the Maddie, but शी थॉट दैट इट इज़ बेटर कि वो उसको जाके बोले, उससे बेटर है कि वो उसको नोट में लिखे. शी विल गिव इट इन टू द नोट ओनली. सो शी इज़ थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट लाइक ओके. सडनली शी पुश्ड एंड श्रेड, और अचानक से उसको कोई धक्का मारता है और वो अपने शी केम आउट फ्रॉम हर इमेजिनेशन वॉट एवर शी वॉज थिंकिंग. शी पिक्चर्ड हर सेल्फ इन द स्कूल यार्ड. ओके, तो वो अपने आप को स्कूल यार्ड में पाती है. नाउ टारगेट फॉर पैगी एंड द गर्ल्स. पैगी माइट आस्क हर वेयर गॉट द ड्रेसेस दैट शी हैड ऑन एंड मैडी वुड हैव टू बी say it was one of Peggy's old one that Maddie's mother had tried to design with. Okay, so at that time Maddie find herself into the schoolyard. Okay, now she thought that if anyone knows that Maddie was as much as poor like a Vanda, okay, then she thought that everyone was made the fun of her. And after that सब लाती है और वो भी कहीं और से आते हैं. तो she thought that she also will become the matter of the fun for the other girls. Okay, new trimmings so no one in the room 13 would recognize it. So मैडी को जो कपड़े थे, मैडी गॉट द क्लोथ्स फ्रॉम द समवन एल्स. उसकी मदर जो थी वो उसके ऊपर कुछ ना कुछ वर्क, शी हैड टू मेक द वर्क ऑन दैट क्लोथ्स सो दैट नो वन कैन रिकॉग्नाइज द क्लोथ्स अबाउट फ्रॉम वेयर इट विल कम. ओके, तो वो कहाँ से आए हैं वो किसी को पता ना चले. इफ़ ओनली पैगी वुड डिसाइड ऑफ हर own accord to stop having the fun with Vanda, oh well, Maddie run her hair though her short blonde hair as though push the uncomfortable thoughts away. What difference did it make? Slowly Maddie tore into bites and note she had started. She was Peggy's best friend, and Peggy was the best like girl in the whole room. Peggy could not possibly do anything that was really wrong, she thought. Now this kind of the thoughts were running out in the mind of the Maddie that पैगी जो है वो डिसाइड कर ले कि वो वेंडा का मजाक नहीं उड़ाएगी तो कितना अच्छा होगा. तो मैडी के दिमाग में ये जो थॉट्स है वो रन आउट हो रहे थे. ओके, और वो चाहती थी शी वांट्स दैट शी विल टेल एवरीथिंग टू द पैगी दैट उसको ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. ओके, सो शी पैगी बिकॉज शी वॉज द बेस्ट फ्रेंड ऑफ द पैगी एंड बेस्ट लाइक द गर्ल. ओके, पॉसिबल डू एनीथिंग दैट वॉज रियली रॉन्ग, और उसको ऐसा लगता था. एज फॉर वेंडा शी वॉज जस्ट सम गर्ल. For the Vanda, she was just some girl who lived into the Boggin's height and stood alone in the school yard. She scarcely ever said anything to everybody. The only time she talked was in the schoolyard about her 100 dresses. Every time someone will come to the Vanda Petrovsky and asked about her 100 dresses, and this is the matter of every day. Whenever she come to the school from the Bogin Heights, she stood alone into the yard of the school, and everyone will come to her and ask about her 100 dresses. Maddie remembered her telling about one of her dresses. Maddie wants to tell about one of her dresses, pale and blue with colored trimming, and she remembered another that was brilliant jungle green with a red sash. You would look like a Christmas tree in that, the girls had said in a pretended admirations. Okay. Maddie remembered that telling about her 100 dresses. At that time, she remembered that she had a pale blue, मतलब कि एकदम जो ब्लू कलर का ड्रेस था वो कलर एकदम से कह सकते हैं कि वो उड़ चुका था, ऐसे कलर का जो ड्रेस था, और वो उसको बताना चाहती थी कि तुम्हारे पास ऐसे ही कपड़े हैं एंड एवरी Thinking about Vanda and her 100 dresses all lined up in a closet, Maddie began to wonder who was going to win the drawing and coloring contest. So, in the school, there will be a drawing competition were held out within soon. Okay, तो उस टाइम पे वेंडा पेट्रोस्की will also take the participation into the drawing and coloring contest. For the girls, this contest consisted of the designing dresses, and for the boys of the designing the motorboats. Okay, in this contest, what was the topic of this contest? For the girls, uh, designing the dresses, and for the boys designing the motorboat. So they have to draw that on the page of the paper. So this is the topic of the drawing contest. Okay. Probably Peggy would win the girls medal all the time. Peggy, because Peggy was the master into the drawing, so all the time Peggy will won the medal. Peggy draw better than anyone else in the room, and anyone else will not drawn the drawing like the Peggy. Okay, because Peggy is good into the in the drawing. At least that's what everybody thought. She could copy a picture in a magazine or some film star head so that you could almost tell who it was. Okay, Peggy was a master into the drawing, so she can copy any of the picture from the magazine or from anywhere. तो वो इतना अच्छा ड्राइंग करती थी, and everyone knows this time also Peggy will won the contest. Oh, will win. Okay, well, tomorrow the teacher was going to announce the winners, then they would know. Okay, the next day the teacher will going to announce about the winner of the drawing contest, and every girls note that this time girls medal will goes to the Peggy only. The next day, into the drizzing into the next day is it was drizzing. Maddie and Peggy hurried to school under the Peggy's umbrella. Naturally, on the day like this, they didn't wait for Vanda Petrovsky on the corner of Oliver Street, the street that far away under the railroad track and up to the hills. That next day, it will the day for the result of the drawing contest, and Peggy and Maddie were into the hurry because they know the name of the winner will announce and Peggy will win the contest. Okay, so they will come in under the Peggy's umbrella. Naturally, generally they came into the school like this day. They didn't wait for the Vanda Petrovsky, okay, into the Oliver Street. All the time they were waited for the Vanda Petrovsky on the Oliver Street, but on the day like this they didn't have wait for the Vanda Petrovsky. Okay, so far away under the railroad track onto the hill. All the time they were waited for the Vanda Petrovsky, but today they didn't wait for the Vanda Petrovsky. Led to the Bogins Heights. It is nearby to the Bogins Heights. The Oliver Street was the nearby to the Bogins Heights. Just because today was important. Why it is important? Because today the result of the drawing competition or drawing contest will declared by the class teacher, so today they didn't want to be late. Do you think Miss Mason will announce the winners today? Asked Peggy. Peggy asked the question to her friends that, do you think Miss Mason was the class teacher of room 13. Oh, I hope so. The minute we get in, said Mary. Mary said, within a minute she will come and announce the name of the winners. Of course you will win, Peg. Mary encouraged the Peggy that you will win this contest. Don't worry about that. Then Peggy said, hope so, said Peggy eagerly. Okay, Peggy said eagerly that I hope that I will win the contest. Okay. The minute they entered the classroom, they stopped short and grasped. They were the drawing all over the room. Okay, on every angle and window sill, dazzling colors and brilliant leaves design, all the drawn on the great sheets of the wrapping papers. Okay, they entered to the classroom. और उस टाइम पे जो ड्राइंग थी कंपटीशन की, जो सबने ड्रॉ विच वर ड्रॉन बाय द एवरी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट, इट वाज हैंग आउट एवरी कॉर्नर ऑफ द वॉल. ओके, वो रूम के हर कॉर्नर में वो लगा हुआ था, विंडो के ऊपर लगा हुआ था. एवरी कलर के अंदर वो अलग अलग देर वर अ डिफरेंट डिज़ाइन, लेविश डिज़ाइन, ब्रिलियंट ड्राइंग एंड ऑल द ड्राइंग वर ग्रेट शीट. ओके, तो वो सब पेपर के अंदर रैप करे हुए थे. ड्राइंग थे वो 100 से भी ज़्यादा थे और सारे एक ही लाइन में लगाए हुए थे. दिस मस्ट बी द ड्राइंग फॉर द कॉन्टेस्ट. प्रॉबेबली ये भी कॉन्टेस्ट के ही ड्राइंग होंगे. दे वर एवरीबडी स्टॉप्ड एंड विसल एंड मर्मर एडमायरिंगली. एवरीवन वाज स्टॉप्ड, सब चुप हो जाते थे जो विसल बजा रहे थे. कुछ नॉटी स्टूडेंट, मिस्चीवियस स्टूडेंट्स वर डूइंग द विसल. ओके, और कुछ मर्मर कर रहे थे, मतलब बातें कर रहे थे. एवरीवन वाज स्टॉप्ड जब क्लास टीचर आते हैं. एज सुन एज द क्लास हैड असेंबल्ड, जब सारा क्लास इकट्ठा हो जाता है. एट दैट टाइम मिस मैसन अनाउंस द विनर. एट दैट टाइम एवरीवन नोज दैट पैगी विल विन द कॉन्टेस्ट बिकॉज पैगी वॉज द ब्रिलियंट इन टू द ड्राइंग. जैक बेगल्स हैड वॉन द बॉयज़. ओके, जैक बेगल्स जो है वो बॉयज़ का कॉन्टेस्ट जीत जाता है. शी सेड एंड हिज डिज़ाइन फॉर द outboard motor was an exhibition into the room 12. And Miss Mason told to the student that those who want to see the drawing of the Jack Bagels, they can go and visit the room number 12. In that his drawing was hang out along with the sketches by all other boys, and all other boys were sketches were also there. And the contest for the boys were won by the Jack Bagels. Okay, now turns come for the girls. As for the girls, she had, although just 1-2 sketches were submitted by most, one girl, and room 13 should be proud of her. She announced that all the students had 13. This girl one actually drawn 100 design. Okay, she announced that one girl from room 13 will draw 100 dresses, 100 design, all different and all beautiful. Miss Mason said that all the design and all the sketches were looking very beautiful. Into the opinion of the judges, any of the drawing is worthy and winning. Okay, whenever judges were show about this drawing, they appreciate this drawing and said that this drawing is worthy and this drawing is looking very beautiful. And the prize, I am very happy to say that Vanda Petrosky is the winner of the girls medal. And lastly, Miss Mason announced the name of the winner, and she was not Peggy, she was Vanda Petrosky, the winner of that contest. You can see in this picture Vanda Petrosky made the different type of the picture of the dresses. Okay, here you can see in this picture she made the picture of the dresses only. So this is clear. Okay, whenever she told that she has 100 dresses, she didn't say about the real dresses, she said about the picture विच शी हैज़. ओके, उसके पास जो पिक्चर थे उसके बारे में वो बात कर रही थी. एवरी टाइम गर्ल्स मेड द फन ऑफ द वेंडा पेट्रोस्की के तुम्हारे भाई 100 ड्रेसेस है, 100 ड्रेसेस है. एंड एवरी टाइम शी टोल्ड दैट यस आई हैव 100 ड्रेसेस. एंड एवरी गर्ल्स थॉट शी इज सेइंग स्पीकिंग लाई, but in fact she is not speaking like, she is talking about the sketch which were drawn by her, and she has तो उसके बारे में बात कर रही थी. नाउ पैगी एंड मैडी वर रियलाइज दैट, यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर, Peggy and Mary were realized that she was talked about the which dresses. Unfortunately, and after that winning the contest, Miss Mason announced the name of that girl, but unfortunately Vanda was not there. Unfortunately, Vanda has been absent for the school for some days and is not there to receive the applause that due to her. Okay, let us hope she will be back tomorrow. Everyone's hope that Vanda Petrosky, everyone was happy about that after seeing the drawing. Okay, and everyone hope that Vanda Petrosky will come next day. Now class, you may file around the room quietly and look at the execute drawing. Okay, whatever the drawing were hang out which was drawn by the every contestant, you can see the drawing and you can get the idea about the drawing. Okay, so class teacher announced the children burst and applause. बराबर वो मस्ती करते हुए आवाज़ करते हुए वहाँ से जाते हैं. एंड इवन द बॉयज़ वर ग्लेड टू हैव अ चांस टू स्टम्प ऑन द फ्लोर. और बॉयज़ को चांस मिल जाता है कि वो फ्लोर के ऊपर अपने पैर से आवाज़ करें. पुट दैट फिंगर्स इनटू द माउथ एंड विसल, दो they were not interested in dresses. Okay, though some mischievous students were also there into the room 13, and whenever the teacher said that those who want to go for seeing the exhibition, some mischievous students doing the making the whistle and अपने जो पैर होते हैं whispered Maddie. Maddie बोलती है, देखो पैगी, there's the blue one she told us about. Every time Vanda told she has a blue color dress, and she told us about this drawing, but we thought that she has a real dress. बराबर वो हमको ड्राइंग के बारे में बताती थी, लेकिन हम उसका मजाक उड़ाते थे और we thought that she was liar, but in fact she was not liar. She was always speaking about her drawings, कि उसके पास ब्लू कलर के ड्रेस की ड्राइंग है. इजंट इट ब्यूटीफुल, क्या भी ब्यूटीफुल नहीं है? यस, पैगी सेड. पैगी उसको कहती है हाँ ब्यूटीफुल तो है. एंड एंड हियर्स द ग्रीन वन. बॉय मीन्स वाओ, बहुत अच्छा. एंड आई थॉट आई कुड ड्रॉ. और पैगी कहती है कि काश मैं भी ऐसा ड्राइंग कर पाती. तो दिस इज़ द लेसन अबाउट द 100 ड्रेसेस पार्ट 1. Friends, in 100 dresses part 1 I explain into 2 part. Okay, this is part number 2 is completed right now related to this video. Whatever the question answers and PDF are there, that I will send you, so you have to write down that in your notebook only. In our next video we will discuss about 100 dresses 2. वेंडा पेट्रोस्की के साथ आगे क्या होता है, वो स्कूल में वापस आती है कि नहीं आती है, और पैगी एंड मैरी फेल्ट सॉरी वाई? जस्ट बिकॉज उनको ऐसा लगता था कि उन्होंने गलत चीज़ के लिए वेंडा पेट्रोस्की को मजाक बनाया था। तो नेक्स्ट क्या होता है, व्हाट विल बी हैपन इन टू द फ्यूचर? विल शी कम टू द स्कूल? विल दे मेक द फ्रेंड्स ऑफ द वेंडा पेट्रोस्की? पैगी एंड मेडी क्या करेंगे वेंडा पेट्रोस्की के साथ आगे लाने के लिए? वेन एवर शी नो अबाउट द फैक्ट, जब उनको फैक्ट पता चल गया एट दैट टाइम, व्हाट दे विल डू, दैट वी विल डिस्कस इन अवर